goes away in the air.
What do you want me to say? Went down about 30 years ago. People just stopped caring. I tried to care. And no one cared, so I said I'm not going to care. If you can't beat them, join them. So keep on polluting this goddamn hole. See if Mother Nature cares.
I will make you
Recycling. Show you what it's like to recycle and try to save this earth. You know what? Plastics are not recyclable anymore. I love big buildings with air conditioning and heat, no windows, no circulation at all. Big buildings are great. Yes, I love big trucks. Big trucks! Ow! With nothing on them, I love it. This is 2007 and I am a woman in need.
You're a man.
I'm a woman, though, in need that looks like a man. That's the problem, Jack. Every time you get a you got a bad car, I look worse and I can't even keep my hat on. Thanks.
What are you gonna do?
Remember me when you're eating your inorganic spinach.
What have I become?
These men know how to drive the trucks. Yeah, basically, if I don't find someone by Thursday, it's not going to be a good weekend.
In